This is my tenoner machine that I made, and it works pretty good. Made a little tiny tenon, about an inch long, and put a mortise in both parts, put tenon in both parts. They used to call it loose tenon mortising or something like that. Loose tenon joinery or something like that. There you go. You just make center lines, and then what I did was, you make center lines, then you line up the two center lines. What I did was I measured how long I wanted the tenon, which was about an inch, as I said. And I measured it on both parts, and then cut the tenons, or cut the mortises. And you can make different size mortises also. Just a minute, I'll get something here. Yeah, this is the tenon material, and there's a $1,000 machine out there that does the same thing, but I don't have 1,000, so I do it the cheap way. It works just as well, in my opinion. And I'm just gonna glue these parts together, put some clamps on it, and I'll be done with it. Now, that one's not big enough. I'll put some newspaper down so I don't get glue all over my table here. And these are just quick clamps. Sometimes I got to take off my gloves to get them tight. And I want both surfaces even, which they are. Very difficult to get my hands in there because they're so tight together. Alright, there you go. Let that dry, and we'll continue on from there.